All right, we've only got about 10 minutes in here. We've got a busy morning this morning. I'm gonna bring you along with us. Take update on the cold plunge. We are getting a new cold plunge. I am genuinely so excited to get back into that routine. Let's get cozy for a little bit. Let's go make our drinks. We've got to be out of the house in 30 minutes. Junie, should we potty train you?
Yeah.
What do you think, Sage?
Yeah.
Start going potty on the toilet like Sagey do?
Yeah, potty. Poo-poo stinky. No, yeah, potty. Yeah, potty.
Baby, I'll change your bum. Go pick out your own gymnastics outfit. Okay, did you do it? Yeah, let's go check on Sagey. You got it? Okay, I'm gonna go get dressed. All right, I literally don't have time to get ready, so we're just gonna throw on a t-shirt. Okay. I'm guessing you're wearing blue. You are? Oh, I guessed right. I think you might have what, baby? Hi. Sagey, no, said poopy. That's a potty word. You're right, June. That is a potty word, huh? Let's go, let's go. Are you putting shoes on in the car? Oh my hell. Who needs a door handle anyway? What the freak? Let's go, come on. Sagey's right there. Let's go. Need water? Let's go. We made it to gymnastics. We're doing a terrible job at vlogging, but we dropped Sage off at gymnastics and now we're going over to this orchard to get some fresh peaches. He's right there. Ooh, yum. All right, bought a whole box because they looked so good. The peaches are right here. Okay. We're gonna go back in Sagey now from gymnastics. Also stopping to get the girls some donuts. Okay. The fit is fitting today, Sagey girl. Oh, gorgeous. Come on, let's go. Okay. Thanks for doing the morning with us, guys. Bye.